Here I have myPhone Prime 2 and let me show you how to activate this device. So let me show you how to go through the initializing setup process on the following phone. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, your welcome panel. Here you can choose your desired language. This is the full list of available languages that you can use on this device. So in my case, let me choose English, for instance from United States. You may also choose vision settings and make some changes right here. For example, you can change the display size. You may also choose emergency and make some emergency calls if you need something. If not, let's choose get started and let's go further. So here you can insert SIM card, but you may also activate your device without the SIM card, so let me do it that way. So let's tap skip for now. Let's decide either you would like to restore a backup or a copy from one of your older devices, or you would like to just set up your device as a new. So in my case, let me have a fresh start. Let's choose setup as a new. The device is looking for available Wi-Fi and internet. So it's not necessary, but I usually recommend connecting to one of the Wi-Fi because the internet access enables you some interesting features. So let me choose my Wi-Fi, the device is obtaining the IP address and the phone is connected. Let's wait a few seconds. Excellent. Now you can add the Google account to your phone, and you can do it by two ways. You can create a new account by using that blue link or use an existing Google account. So in my case, let me use an existing Google account. Let's enter the email. Alright, let's go next. Sorry, let me correct my email. HardReset.info. Now it's time to enter the password. Let me do it. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Alright, let's go next right here. Let's accept terms of services and privacy policy. Tab accept right here. The phone is checking info. Here you can enable or disable some Google services. For example, you can enable automatically backup device data, use Google's location service to help apps determine your location. You may also improve location accuracy, help improve your Android experience, and do other stuff. Let me tap next in my case. You can protect your phone by using pattern pin or password, or you can do it later. In my case, let me choose not now. Tap skip anyway. You can add some other settings such as the other email account, the payment method, and you can use the voice to navigate on your device, but in my case, let me choose setup later in settings. So here we've got the tutorial. Let's close this. Alright, now we can close the tutorial. Tap got it, and this is the home screen. So now you can use your device. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.